Hi, thanks for tuning into my channel. Do you want to make this very cozy flannel dress which also has pockets and it is also super comfy with baby bump? If yes, then keep watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for a new video every Monday. Fold the fabric in half and place a well-fitting template with folds of the fabric and the template aligning. While choosing the template, make sure that both the template and the fabric in use have the same amount of stretch. Trace around the neck and shoulder of the template with half-inch seam allowance. Mark the armhole as shown in the video. I wanted the flare to start just above my baby bump, so I measured the length from my armhole and marked it. If you want, you can extend this up to your natural waist. So the flare starts from your waist. Here I am marking the neck depth from the shoulder, which was 2.5 inches. Mark the total length of the dress from the shoulder. Now measure this distance from the waistline. I added 1 inch of seam allowance. Now go ahead and mark the total length from the waistline as shown in the video. I later cut the curve as shown for a neater look of the dress. Now go ahead and cut the back piece as marked. Now fold remaining fabric half in width again. Use back piece as template to cut out front piece with neck slightly deeper as per your wish and armhole more curved. I wanted my front neck to be about 6.5 inches deep. It's not for me to say you love. This is how I cut my front neck. I wanted both my front and back necks to be round in shape. Moving on to sleeves, fold the remaining fabric once half in width followed by half in length. This will leave you with 4 layers of fabric. Place the sleeve of the template with folds aligning. Pin and mark the armhole curve and length of the sleeve. Measure the circumference of the arm where you want your sleeve to end and mark half of it on the fabric. Cut the sleeve as marked and snip the center of the sleeve as shown for an easy reference later. Cut the fold to get 2 sleeve parts. Start with attaching the shoulders of the front and back piece followed by attaching the sleeves. Match the snipped center of the sleeve with the shoulder seam with right sides of the sleeve and the dress touching each other. It's not for me to say you love. Pin in place and sew the sleeve and the dress together. Double fold and finish hems of the sleeves. It's not for me to say. Hem the neckline by double folding and pinning it in place and sew as shown. I love pockets and I feel they add an extra zing to any dress. To make a template, trace around your palm as shown and cut it. Take 4 layers of fabric and use the template that you just made to get 4 layers of pocket pieces. It's not for me to say you love. Measure where you want to have your pockets and place one piece of the pocket with right sides touching with the dress as shown. Pin it in place and repeat the same with the other piece on the same side. Attach the pocket piece to the dress along the dotted line as shown in the video. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now sew side seams of the dress along the dotted line as shown in the video. Do not sew on the opening of the pocket. I wanted to add a belt to the dress for more definition. I made a belt by joining together strips of fabric which are 4 inch in wide. After joining, I got a one long strip of about 100 inches. You can increase or decrease the length of this belt based on your preference. I later pressed the edges of the belt as shown and made a straight stitch on the edge to make the belt. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Until then, bye.